So we come into this job site, you see this nonsense? Inspector sees this, I'm grilled. I'll be working in a McDonald's or something. We gotta get this fixed. Inspector did come to inspect the HVAC. Thankfully he didn't say anything, but besides, for safety concerns, we're gonna get this fixed. Let me see how you're putting it. Perfect. Let me see. They're black. Here you go. These are your guys. So put 2 in each box. And I'm gonna find some flex. Okay guys, so they had this 10 power. I don't know who did this actually. So we gotta make it right. So we're gonna run the conduit. Maybe we can use something existing here. As a matter of fact, found it, and then we could run it that way. We never wanna risk it here. You guys can see that box goes all the way to the breaker panel. And then from here we could whip it all the way down to the furnace. And or just, if this is interconnected, why not? It's not interconnected, but let me see here. Nope. So we just run a pipe from here to here. The young growing. All right, Chris, tighten it up. Make sure both of them hit, okay? That's good. If you're off by a couple, like less than an eighth, you could always the coupling has a little bit of room. I mean, that's a little eighth of error that you're able to have, but make sure you don't have no more than that. Take it in. Right there, Chris. Mark, you got this, right? This one, take this one out, and I'll do the rest. Just want to show you guys what I did. Came up, offset. This looks straight as it could be, and I strapped it there. There's a little, how can I call that, pressure there, but it's fine. If you look at it with the fine telescope, you'll see some defects. Like for example, I didn't offset this. The reason why is because they're gonna come down and then they're gonna, let me just straighten this out. Can I offset it? Yeah. Should I offset it? Nah, that should be fine. You see? The grill's coming down. It should be fine. This is residential. Now, if this was commercial, visible, people could see it, then you gotta put a little bit more effort into it. But most of the time, you're fine. Like this right here, strap it, should be fine. Now we're gonna do the other side. Old pipe. Whoop. Yikes. Did not want to do that. But you guys get the idea. Let's get this wedged in there. All right, guys, so we're getting this portion done here. Oh, we could cut it here. Unscrew this a little and come back in. Okay, screw this back in before we forget. Okay, everything's interconnected. You see that? Looks beautiful, symmetric somewhat. So light in the middle, same thing. As a matter of fact, this has a nice little skylight.